Welcome you guys. In this tutorial we will talk about logical functions and OR. So let's talk about logical AND. Logical AND is a logical function. It is used to test the conditions that you specify and returns true if all of the given conditions evaluate to true. Otherwise it will give false. Fine. So logical we can use alone also and between also. Clear? Means we can use it with if also and we can use it with one condition also. We can pass many parameters inside the AND function. Clear? So we will understand it with the help of example in the next slide. So let's see how to understand how to solve this query here. I have made one table and I have to use logical AND function. Now I have to check whether in the cell B2 oranges are there or not. Okay, so that means I am asking it only one question. Means I am asking it there about only oranges here. Okay, so let's see how to write here. Is equal to cell I have spoken B2 is equal to again true. Okay, then double quotes I will write here because I am talking about here orange, so I will write here orange. Double quotes close. Now if I will press enter key, the answer should be true here. Why? Because yes, the orange has written here in B2 cell. So it will show us true answer. Because I am just asking it that is it orange or not. Let's see, you can see here it is showing true. Okay, suppose I am changing here and I am writing here cherry. Okay, I am writing here cherry. So now the answer has changed. Why it has changed? Because I have written here cherry instead of orange. So answer will vary. But if I have to ask it that if oranges are there, are they greater than or equal to 2 or not? Means I am going to ask here two questions. Are they oranges or are they greater than equal to 2 or not? So let's see how to apply these, how to meet these two conditions over here. So I am deleting this formula here. So let's see here again. See, look at the option. Suppose I am asking you that do you want to eat Maggie? See, I am giving you the option here, particular option. I am asking you about Maggie. Now, if I change the question, what do you want to eat? It is like that. I am asking you that which food you want to eat here. Now you can say Maggie, you can say noodles, you can say anything else here. So let's see here also. We will change the question. We will change the question also here. Earlier we were just asking it one question, either it is orange or cherry. Okay, so let's see. I am again changing it here. Okay, chale. Now next question is I am writing here and bracket. I am asking B2 if orange, comma. Now this is, you can see here I am asking logical 1. I have passed the one parameter here, argument here. Okay, Means I'm asking, is it orange? Now, my next question is it greater than 2 or equal to? Fine. So how? I will write here C2 is greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to 2. What should I write here now? Let me know. 3. Okay. Fine. Now I will close the bracket. See. Now my question is it orange? And C2 cell, this cell, red colored cell, is greater than equal to 3. So what would be the answer here? True or false? Yes, let me know. See, it is meeting the first condition, but here it is not true. 2 is not greater than 3. Okay, so let's see what would be the answer here. False. Okay, false. If I will change here 3 to, I will do 2. Yes, it is true because it is true and it is meeting my condition. Okay, so if I will drag it here, then it is also true because of course C2 is greater than 2. Okay, so this is the second thing that we can apply here with the help of AND function. This one. Okay, clear? If I will click here in the formula, you can see okay. So next example. Now I will explain you with the help of next example. I am having here the example is ready here. I'll give some border. Okay, this one. Now here I have made this something like this. Okay, there is stock and how much we have sold. Clear? So we will understand here now. Now look here, I am going to apply the formula that we have done upside same way. Okay, I am asking it that look carefully in E2. I am applying the same formula is equal to and bracket my B14 is equal to orange, double quotes, then comma. Okay, then what it has to do? Okay, next condition, C14 is greater than, it is D14. Okay, let's see. False. Now I am saying C14 is greater than D14. Is it greater than D14? No. Why? Look here. So guys, you can see here what it is showing. The result is false here. Okay, why it is false? Have you noticed I have done something wrong here? That's why it is giving me the wrong answer. I have written here in this formula orange, but in this cell what has written? Oranges. Okay, so I have to change it to oranges here. So let's see now what would be changed here. Let's see the answer. True. Now it is true. Why? Because my B14 cell contains oranges and C14 is greater than D14. Clear? That's why here true value is coming. If I will drag it here, false. Why false here? Because this value is not greater than 20. This value, is it greater than 20? But here it is orange and here I am talking about strawberries. Clear? That's why. You can see here also mangoes, but here I am talking about orange. Clear? So let's move to the next type of formula here. Okay. Now here it is saying that if C14 is greater than D14, okay, means if C14 is greater than D14, then C14 should be equal to D14. Okay, is it possible? Greater to hai. Okay, it is greater, but these both values are not equal. So that's why it is returning us false here. If I will write here, suppose I will change the value. I'll write here 30. Okay, so let's see. Still it is false. So if I will drag here, all answers are false. Now look here. Now look here. Now let's see this one. Okay, I have done here this one. Okay, but what I will do, I will write here D14. Okay, I will drag it again. Now again my formula same way. It is saying if C15 is greater than D15, okay, and C15 is equal to D15, but it is not greater. They both are same here. Okay, clear? So that's why false value is coming. Now move to the third type here. Now here it is saying that B14 are oranges and C14 should be greater than equal to 40. Then next logical test, what was it? C14 is greater than D14. Okay. Now what it is saying here? If B14 contains the oranges, then C14 is greater than or equal to 40 and C14 is greater than D14, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so let's see what would be the answer here. True, of course, means C14 is greater than equal to 40 and this is also, and these are the oranges. So if we will drag it, let's check our formula. Why false again? As I told you here, in the B15, I am having cherry here and still, so here are I have written oranges. Okay. If I will change oranges to cherry, then the answer will again change. Clear? I hope you have understood how I am applying these three AND functions here. Okay. Clear? Now, I want to tell you that how to use AND function inside if function. Clear? AND function inside if function. So, now here you can see AND function found in the logical test argument of if function to test several conditions. Okay, so let's see the example here. As you know, our if formula is so let's see. I will start with if bracket, then it is saying here logical test. Okay, then again true, otherwise false. So I am applying here AND function here. Okay, then again bracket. Now I will say here, see, now you can see here at the down logical one, I can apply the logics and function has started again. So first of all, I would like to know B22 is equal to cherry. So let's, this time I will change cherry. Okay, then second condition what I want to ask is C22 is greater than D22. I want to ask these two questions. Now I will close my AND function here. Now you can see here I have closed my AND function. Now I have to continue. You can see that it has changed to the if function again. Now if has first logical test has finished. Second, now if this condition is true, then it has to display good. Okay, otherwise it has to display bad. Okay, otherwise it has to display bad. So let's check this condition also. I'm going to press enter key. Before pressing enter key, we should have to check that have we closed all the brackets or not. So I have closed here. This bracket is closing here and the if bracket I am closing at the end. So let's press enter key. Bad. Oh my god. Why bad now? Because I have written here cherry instead of oranges. Okay, if I will drag here, so let's check answer. Oh my god, all are bad here. Okay, so let's see what is happening here. It is saying that B22 is cherry. This is wrong. Okay, and C22 is greater than D22. Yes, it is greater. Okay, it is true. It is wrong. Okay, now that means our answer should be, so we have applied here the formula. This way we can apply our AND function. I have told you the three ways. First, second this way. Here also I have applied in the three ways. Okay. Next is again inside the nested if, you can say. Clear? So I hope you understood the if and the use of AND function here. Now I will tell you about logical OR. I hope you understood. If any query, kindly write in the comments. Thank you. Let's talk about now logical OR. So guys, now logical OR, it is exactly same like logical AND. Instead of AND, we will write here OR. Okay, we will write here OR and we can pass as many as arguments here. Arguments means logical test here. Okay, you can ask here any condition. Clear? 255 conditions you can say, you can ask here. So let's see with a small example. So let's see how to use a OR function. As I have written here AND, so I will use my OR function. What I have to do, I just have to write down the OR instead of AND. So is equal to OR, then bracket, I will ask B2 is equal to orange. Okay. Next is C2 is greater than, I can write here I can pass here any value here. C2 is greater than, you can say 6. Okay. So let's see what would be the answer. Now, why it is true? In logical OR, if you met one of the condition true, then you will get the answer as a true only. Okay. Suppose if I'll change here orange to cherry. False. Huh? False. Why false? Why false here? Because see, one thing is B3 is not equal to orange and my C3 is not greater than 6. Suppose if I'm writing here greater than equal to 4. So let's check the answer. It is true. Because again it is true. Because yes, it is C3 is greater than equal to 4. But it is not orange. But see, you can say this condition is meeting here. Okay, red one in the red cell. Okay, so that's why our answer is true. Clear? If I'll take it, if I'll go here, again I will drag, it is false. Okay, now I have dragged the upper one only. That's why it is showing me the false answer. So this way we can use OR instead of AND. Thank you. I hope you understood logical OR and AND functions. If you have any query, please write down in the comment box. And if you like my video, then kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. We will meet in our next video. Thanks.